Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'm going to make Japanese-style shiitake mushroom pasta. You will need 160 g of long pasta, 2 teaspoons of salt, 6 pieces of shiitake mushrooms, 1/4 of onion, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of grated garlic, salt and pepper to taste. Step 1. Separate the stems from the shiitake mushroom caps. Remove the tough tips of the stem, then slice the stems and caps thinly. Step 2. Slice the onion thinly. Step 3. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the pasta and cook until al dente according to package directions. Step 4. Reserve half cup of the cooking water. Then drain the pasta and set it aside. Step 5. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the onion and saute until tender. Step 6. Add the sliced shiitake mushrooms and saute until tender. Step 7. Add the soy sauce and grated garlic to the skillet and stir until well combined. Step 8. Add half cup of pasta water and bring the sauce to a simmer and cook for a couple of minutes. Step 9. Add the cooked pasta to the skillet and mix everything together until the pasta is fully incorporated in the sauce. Add salt and pepper to taste. I hope you will enjoy this Japanese flavored easy pasta dish. Thanks for watching and please be sure to like and subscribe.